It was kids splashed out at Hank Aaron Stadium. Little ones getting excited to see some minor league baseball. Let's take you here to the bottom of the third. Bay Bears down 3-1. Garrett Weber at bat. He connects, and he's going to get all the way to first. And guy was off the base. And next batter up to third, but the overthrow sends Evans all the way home. Bay Bears down 3-2. And next inning, on the mistake here, he's still gonna get to first. That was Keon Braxton. Next batter up. Check out that ball. It about hit me in the face. I was scared to death. Yeah, let's take one more look at that. Yeah, hit just below where I was standing. But later, anyway, back to the action. Dustin Martin will reach here on the error, but the Bay Bears drop this one 7-4 to the Suns. And better luck for the other local team. The Blue Wahoos won today over Mississippi 7-3. Wahoo's definitely playing well right now against one of the best teams in the Southern Conference. And sports can go beyond teaching young people physical skills. It can teach them values they will carry for the rest of their lives. Today at Tremere Park, a youth football camp showed kids the way to be successful in life.
Hit it! Let's go, good Marcus. Hit it!
Learning the X's and O's is important for any child in the game of football. But today at a youth camp, the Tremere Saints coaches went beyond the sport to teach kids about learning the game of life.
We're teaching them discipline, how to work well together. Those are some of the most important things. Most important is being student athletes of the game. Getting the education first, which is important. Because I don't care how good you are playing any sport, if you don't have the grades, you're not going anywhere.
Of course, doing drills was a main part of the day. Former Alabama State standout Kennard Williams hosted the camp and enjoyed being back in the community he grew up in.
It's a blessing, you know, to give back what I've been taught, to teach the upcoming kids the proper way to learn football. So I mean that's just something I want to do, give back to the kids.
The guest speaker of the evening was Eaton Bernard, a local attorney who spoke to the boys about the importance of sports and education.
Once you get the taste of being a champion, you no longer want to be a what? You don't want to be a loser. You don't want to be a loser at dominoes or checkers. You don't want to be a loser at math or English. You want to be a champion at everything.
Right now in this day and time, it's a lot of crime going on, and we just want to do something positive for the kids that keep their mind off of violence, you know, trying to hurt one another. So, I mean, that's the main thing about this camp. You know, we're going to talk to them and let them know that we do love them.
Good job, 7-8, y'all.
Wow. They were so much fun to work with. They were so excited to play football. And it was a pretty intense speech, but got the message across.
Yeah, and what's the age again?
It was like 4 to 10, 12, yeah.
Wow, intense.
Oh, yeah.
Covered just about everybody.
Oh, yeah.
Cool.
Thanks.